Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, is it? Good morning. You know that some people were just waking up right now and it's morning in their country. Some of them it's afternoon in their country, some of them it's in the evening. Like us here in Kenya, it's in the evening. Yes. So welcome to today's vlog. As you can see, what I have set here is what I'm going to cook right now. This is I'm actually going to be showing you how to cook tomato scrambled eggs. So this is our eggs, 4 eggs. Yeah, 4 eggs. And we have here our dania. Yeah, dania. And we have here our tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. Is it visible? Yeah. Right here we have our salt, and we have our Royco cube right here. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's get right to the video. Let's on the gas. Yeah, for we have to start the cooking. Like this is the cooking oil. This is the cooking oil. Actually, you can see that right now. Yeah, so let's on the gas and get right to the video. As you can see on the other side, I'd actually finished to cook ugali because today's video is only for cooking scrambled eggs, tomato scrambled eggs. So we go ahead and put our oil in the saucepan. I'm actually using the saucepan because I want to show you how scrambled is going to look. Yeah, I've been cooking eggs, scrambled eggs. Is the saucepan is best for cooking it because yeah, it will bring it nicely. Yeah, we put our salt and we go ahead and keep on turning our onions. Make sure you don't burn when you're cooking the eggs, the scrambled eggs. You make sure your onions is whitish, not so much brownish, but in the level that is not seen in the eggs that it's burning. Pole nini nimekunyonga. Yeah, so like I was saying, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Susan. Yeah, that is my beautiful name, Susan. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for clicking. Make sure you remember to watch the video till the end. Yes, good. Watch the video till the end. Get your girl to 4,000 wash hours. Please watch the video till the end. Please, I really appreciate your support, guys. I know you will take me to 4,000 wash hours very soon. Kindly watch the video till the end. Yeah, I trust you guys. You guys are the best ever. Yeah, so get your girl to 4,000 wash hours by just watching the video till the end. Don't jump. Yes, watch the video till the end. Get your girl to 4,000 wash hours. So you can see our tomatoes the way it is. It is enough for the eggs. It's okay for the eggs. We go ahead and put our tomatoes. Yeah, that is our tomatoes. You can see it right there. Is it visible? Yeah, our tomatoes is there. And we go ahead and put our Royco cube. This is the Royco cube. Actually, for the chicken is finished, but don't worry, even this one is okay. No worries, even this one can work. And most especially, guys, what I actually want to request from you is that be commenting in the videos. Please comment in the videos and like the video. Make sure you actually, I want to crack the eggs. I don't know whether you can see. You can see I want to crack the eggs. Oh la la, the gas is finished. The gas is finished. Oh, finished. So our gas is activating. Yeah, as we crack our eggs in this bowl. Yeah, we crack our eggs in the bowl as we are waiting for the gas to activate and for the tomatoes to get cooked. Just as that, we are done cracking the eggs, and we go ahead and mix it. Mix it. Actually, if you hear the noise, I am so sorry. My baby is watching his favorite cartoon. Yes, so I've tried to reduce. That is volume 1, and I can hear it is sounding a bit loud, yet it's volume 1. I think the TV has too much volume. Yes, so this is our eggs. I haven't actually put the salt here because I first want to test that salt when the tomato is ready, and we have to test the salt because the Royco cube normally has its own salt, and also I've added some salt in the onions. Yeah, so I don't want it to have a lot of salt in it because of the boy, because of the baby. Not even because of the baby, even me myself, I don't like too much salt. Yeah, I don't like too much salt. We just, if you put too much salt in a food, that food nobody will eat it. Remember, salt is not, it's not good in, it's not good eating too much salt in a food. And also what I can tell you is that if you have cooked food and the salt is not that tasting, don't add salt. That added salt normally causes diseases in our bodies. So you just continue with that food like that. Yes, till the next day. Then you tell the person who cooked, next time put enough salt. Yeah, so let's wait for the gas to activate. So guys, our tomatoes is ready. You see that? First I want to salt is enough, and we go ahead and put our eggs. I don't know how you normally cook your scrambled eggs, but for me, when I'm cooking tomato scrambled eggs, I normally mix it like this. So I want it to come out when it is too small. I don't want it to come when it is big. You can see how it is forming. It's coming out small. I don't want big parts of eggs. You see that? Remember, I cook it in a low heat. I don't cook eggs on high heat, like high flame, high fire. I don't do that. You see how it is coming out like porridge, like that. And then we go ahead and put our dania when it is like that, so that it will mix nicely. Yeah, it will mix nicely and it will cook nicely. Yeah, you can see the way it's coming out. You will see how it is. With this, with actually cooking scrambled eggs, for me, I like this with ugali. Yeah, like even I've showed you that I've already cooked the ugali. I like it with ugali, like with the ugali. This goes nicely with the ugali. Yeah, just the same way just the very way I wanted it to come out, so it's coming out that way. You see that? You see, the way I wanted it to come out, it's coming out that way. Yeah, it has to be small like that, small, so that when you finish it with your garlic, it will be nice. Kasimugan? Yes. Popcorn. Oh. Sawa. Basi ndio hii saa ndio umepiga na imeonyesha tu saa hii hapa. So guys, our eggs, scrambled eggs is ready. You can see the look. So with the ugali here. Don't worry guys, my hands are clean. Want to test it first. It's hot. Nice. So that's all guys for today. Kindly subscribe, share, like and comment.